Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by securing power and data. Make sure the battery is above 50% and you're plugged in. Next, you back up everything, photos, SMS, app data, to a PC or cloud so nothing is lost. Once done, verify the exact device model and current Android build. This determines which update path to use. Then, free up at least 4 GB of storage. Many installers fail without room. Finally, enable developer options and turn on USB debugging, so tools can communicate with the phone. You now prepare the software side. Install ADB and Fastboot on your computer, then verify the phone appears with a DB devices. After that, download the exact OTA, factory image, or a vetted custom ROM matching your model, mismatches brick devices. If the process requires it, unlock the bootloader. This often erases data, so confirm your backup first. Once unlocked, use Fastboot to flash recovery or the update package. Follow vendor prompts and wait. Flashing can take several minutes. You complete the process by flashing the update through recovery or Fastboot. Select the package and confirm. After flashing, reboot to system and allow the first boot. This can take longer than normal as apps optimize. Once the phone loads, verify the new Android version in settings and then restore apps and data from your backup. If something goes wrong and the device won't boot, try wiping cache first. If that fails, reflash the exact factory image or recovery. If locked, repeat unlock steps and consult device-specific forums.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.